Find the distance between point A 0, minus 3 and point B minus 2, 5. So we know the distance formula under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now from the given 2 points A and B, let us find out x1 y1 and x2 y2. So this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Now let us substitute those points in our formula. X2 is minus 2 minus x1 is 0 whole square plus y2 is 5 minus y1 is minus 3 whole square under root minus 2 minus 0 minus 2 whole square plus 5 as it is. Here we have two symbols, right? Minus into minus. So that will be plus 3 whole square under root minus 2 whole square plus 5 plus 3 8 whole square under root minus 2 whole square 4 plus 8 square 8 8 is 64 which is equals to under root 64 plus 4 68. We are finding distance, so units. Find the midpoint of 2, 6 and minus 3, 5. As usual, the given first 2 points, we will take it as x1, y1 and x2, y2. Now let us write the midpoint formula. Midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 by 2. Now let us substitute the numbers in this. What is x1 here? 2 plus x2 is minus 3. Divided by 2, comma, y1 is 6 plus y2 is 5 by 2 which is equals to 2 plus into minus minus 3 by 2, comma, 6 plus 5 11 by 2 that is equals to 2 minus 3 minus 1 by 2, comma, 11 by 2. This is the midpoint of the given 2 points. Next question is find the centroid of 2, minus 1, 3, 2 and 0, minus 5. So the first given points we will go with x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Centroid formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Now x1 is 2 plus x2 is 3 plus x3 is 0 by 3, comma, y1 minus 1, y2 2, y3 minus 5 by 3. Now let us simplify this further. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 0, 5, 5 by 3, comma, minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6. And still we have plus 2. Minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. So minus 4 by 3. So the centroid for the given points is 5 by 3, comma, minus 4 by 3. Next question is find the slope of 2, 5 and 5, 7. So we will take this as x1, y1 and x2, y2. So slope m equals to, slope formula is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 that is equals to, what is y2 here? 7 minus y1 5 divided by x2 is 5 minus x1 is 2. 7 minus 5 2 divided by 5 minus 2 3. So the slope of the given points is 2 by 3. Next question. Find the area of the triangle if the vertices are 0, 2, minus 1, 3 and 5, minus 4. So let us take these points as x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. So what is the formula for finding an area of the triangle when vertices are given? So that is half modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Let us substitute now. Half as it is mod x1 is 0 into y2 is 3 minus y3 is minus 4 plus x2 is minus 1 into y3 is minus 4 minus y1 is 2 plus x3 is 5 into y1 is 2 minus y2 is 3. Let us simplify this further. Half modulus. This is 0 into something, right? 0 into anything is 0 only. So I'm not going to simplify this further. I'll write just 0 because 0 into anything is 0. Next, plus into minus, minus 1 into minus 4 minus 2 minus 6 plus 5 into 2 minus 3 minus 1. So here half as it is, modulus 0, I'm removing it. So remains with minus 1 into minus 6 plus 5 into minus 1. If we simplify this further, half modulus minus 1 into minus 6, minus into minus plus 6 ones are 6 plus 5 into minus 1 plus into minus minus 5 ones are 5, which is equals to half modulus 6 minus 5, 1. Now remove the modulus. Half into 1. Half into 1 is half only. So we are finding the area. Then it will be half square units. If a point P divides 2 comma minus 3, 3 comma 5 in the ratio 2 is to 3, then find the point P. So for example, if you have a line segment like this, one end vertices are given as 2 comma minus 3 and other end vertex is 3 comma 5. Okay, so on this line somewhere we have one point P, and this point P is dividing the total line segment in the ratio 2 is to 3. So now we need to find out this P coordinates. So let us find out that. So the section formula is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So in here, instead of m and n, you can write m1, m2 also, both are same anyway. So now this ratio is there, right? Those comes under m and n, and this is x1 y1 and x2 y2. So now let us substitute in the formula. M is 2 into x2 is 3 plus n is 3 into x1 is 2 divided by m plus n, 2 plus 3, comma. Next, m is 2 into y2 is 5 plus n is 3 into y1 is minus 3 divided by m plus n, that is 2 plus 3. Let us calculate this. 2 3s are 6 plus 3 2s are 6 by 2 plus 3 5, comma 2 5s are 10 plus into minus minus 3 3s are 9 by 2 plus 3 5 is equals to 6 plus 6 12 by 5, comma 10 minus 9 1 by 5. So the P point is 12 by 5, comma 1 by 5. Moving to the next question. If the distance between 3 comma P and 9 comma 7 is root 61, then find P value. So this we will take it as x1 y1 and this as x2 y2. So we know the distance formula, that is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. But according to the question, the distance is root 61, right? So this is equals to root 61. Now both the sides we will be having square roots, right? So to remove that, I will do squaring on both the sides. So what it will become then? Under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equals to under root 61 whole square. So square root square cancel, square root square cancel. Then we remains with x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square equals to 61. Now if we look into the numbers, let us substitute now. First x2, right? So this is x1, x2 is 9 minus x1 is 3 whole square plus y2 7 minus y1 p whole square is equals to 61. 9 minus 3, 6 square plus 7 minus p whole square equals to 61. 6 square 36 plus 7 minus p whole square equals to 61. Now let us take 36 from left side to the right side. Then that plus 36 will become minus 36. So 7 minus p whole square equals to 61 plus 36 will become minus 36. 7 minus p whole square is equals to 25. Then 7 minus p whole square is 25. Then what will be 7 minus p? So 7 minus p will be plus or minus root 25. So 7 minus p is equals to plus or minus root 25 value is 5. Once let us take a plus 5 and once let us take minus 5. So 7 minus p is equals to plus 5. I am taking first. Bring 5 this side, minus p that side. 7 plus p will be, sorry, plus 5 will become minus 5 is equals to minus p will become plus p. Then p value will be 2. Now 7 minus p is equals to, I am taking minus 5. So minus 5 this side and minus p that side. 7 minus 5 will become plus 5 is equals to minus p will become plus p. Then p is equals to 7 plus 5, 12. So p value is either 2 or else 12. Moving to the next question. If 0 comma p divides q comma 1 and 1 comma 4 in the ratio 2:1, then find p and q. So here we know very well that is a section formula, right? So this is m and this is n. And this one is x1, y1, x2, y2. Because this 0 comma p divides, it means this is p point. So that is completely different than the remaining. So now let us enter our section formula. mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Here what is m2 into x2 1 plus n1 into x1 q divided by m plus n 2 plus 1, comma m is 2 into y2 4 plus n is 1 into y1 1 divided by m plus n 2 plus 1. Now 2 ones are 2 plus q into 1 q by 2 plus 1 3, comma 2 fours are 8 plus 1 ones are 1 by 2 plus 1 3. If we still simplify this, 3 plus q by 3, comma 8 plus 1 9 divided by 3. Still, now this 3 plus q divided by 3 comma q by 3 is equals to, already in the question itself he gave that 0 comma p is the point p. So make it equals to 0 comma p. Now, oh sorry, this is 9, right? Not q, this was 9. Now make x coordinate equals to x coordinate and y coordinate equals to y coordinate. Before that, here simplification is also possible. 3 ones are 3 3s are. So now 3 plus q by 3 comma 3 equals to 0 comma p, making x coordinates equal and y coordinates equal. So 3 plus q by 3 equals to 0 and 3 equals to p. Take this denominator that side, here division. If you take another side, it becomes multiplication. So 3 plus q is equals to 0 into anything is 0. Take 3 also right side now. Q is equals to plus 3 becomes minus 3. So here already we got p value as 3. So p value is 3 and q value is minus 3.